We are pleased to show you the 2010 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.